got the goods. We're back at the let's get ready for day 3. And then, yeah, day 3. And then, day 2. Yay! So this is my fit for today.
Anong oras ka naman nagising? Nag-ayos ay...
I woke up at 4. Good morning, y'all. Good morning.
Hi.
I just posted the day 1.
Color.
So check out the day 1 vlog. It's already posted on YouTube. Yay. Hey, ora muna. Hi, guys. This is my breakfast for today. Mami, pakita. Ready na siya sa Adyo Mahathir. Ayun si Papa. Here's our sasakyan. Bago naman na kuya. Tumatas guys. Yung baba oh. I-recline natin guys. Tapos pataas natin sa paa. Wow. So we're here in the garden. Akala ko parang bamboo forest siya. Hindi naman pala.
Origin
fantasy forest.
Yeah, you choice. Teppanyaki or teppanyaki daw or ano? Teppanyaki.
Pwede na kayo ikasal, oh. So here's the tickets. Green Fantasy Forest. Si Totoro. Ay, wow, cute naman yan. Look at that, guys. Kung kakasal kayo, alam niyo na kung saan pumunta. Yung mga boys na sa loob na. Ah, tingnan niyo kung nasa na yung boys. Hala, caught on camera, guys. Papunta yan sa vlog. Gingerbread house. Dylan, dyan ka. Sa gingerbread house, oh.
See the heat?
Daddy, tara na. One of these, nandun si Dylan. Daddy, dun sa kasalan, sana kayo? Ay, wow! Ang pretty! Kanina yung mga boys, guys. Oh, I want you in my room. Ay. May ba na music?
Back, your back.
Straight on your back. Tayo ay nasa Hogwarts na, guys. Pasok tayo sa... Wow, may kama! Hi! Hi! Kung malamig lang siya. Maingay yan si Dylan yan. Ay, hindi yan si Dylan. Hey, Daddy! Cute ni Papa. Nag-sunscreen na si Papa. Yung Buddha. Yung Buddha. Wow, guwapo, 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 guwapo. Tapos tayo din sa Parangkas. Masyadong mainit. Wow, look at that, guys. Nasa Egypt na kami. Or Rome. Or Alice in Wonderland. At halika dito, ang pretty na to, oh. Mami, come here, oh, dito. Si Dylan, zombie na. Kung malamig lang sana dito na, Mama. You know, ready na si Mama with her cap. Butterfly, oh, si Lola. Ang pretty naman ito, oh, ng mga ruins. I-ring mo yung bell, Mama. Kung may prenup kayo, guys, alam niyo na kung saan pupunta. Init, guys. Init. Sa init, wala akong makita sa camera ni Mama. Sa baba. Go, come on. Let's go. Nagpa-sideways na siya. Guys, ayaw ni Daddy mag-love is forever. Yung bukti din na parang naligo. Give up na, guys. Oo nga, no?
Guys, ba hindi siya kasama sa Korea? Ngayon ko lang natandaan na may Little Prince sa Korea.
Kasama ka sa Korea? Wala pa siyang conscience nun.
Kailan tayo nag-Korea, guys?
Ayun na ko, guys.
Kailan pa tayo?
Hi ka. So, ito mga pinuntahan namin. It's good. Pretty. Pinagalitan na ito. Going to be eating at the teppanyaki. And si Kuya nagluluto na. Ito na pa-headphone ka rin. That's bad. Kamusta? So far, I think
Taiwan or today?
today.
It's hot.
How about Taiwan?
It's summer cold.
Pang cold country lang ata tayo. Parang anong compare mo siya? Or
Japan.
Parang Japan. So it's so hot. Pero we're having fun. Okay, it's a fun country. This is milk tea. This is something tea. And that is soup. Let's get milk tea, ate. Let's get. Where's the fish? And now let's get soup. Hintay lang. Nagkakaintindihan ba kayo, Mama? Experiment na lang, guys. Tingnan natin kung marunong na sila mag-chopsticks. Go! Challenge. Oh! So now we're going to go to an ice cream shop. This one. Oh my God, tingnan yung tao. Parang yung sa Korea to, oh. Anong tawag yun? Anong tawag yun sa Korea? Yung parang river?
River.
Ay.
The Babylon.
So here is the shop. May mga misters, oh. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. Look at the place. Chocolates. Chocolates. Yes, tea. Black tea. Look at all those treats. Hindi na may headphones dito na lang. The camera doesn't do it justice. It's really pretty. Inside. Oh, look at this. There's ants on the pavement. So the ice cream is outside. There's a coffee shop over there. Ay, sarap. So here are the ice cream. Here are the flavors. Vanilla. May mga menu. So there's the prices na rin. That's broken over there. Papa, what you doing over there? Look, oh, there's misters. Every few seconds they spray misters. Kasi mainit nga talaga. Oh, look at the menu, guys. Closer look na. Malapit na tayo. We're readying our cameras now. One more number to go. Coming up.
You can choose 3 toppings.
3 toppings?
Yes.
Oh, what's the best seller? Recommended? Cheesecake.
What's good here? Get that.
Cheesecake again. Guys, I'm not paying for this. Yeah. Okay. I got the goods. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it.
Sabi na sa'yo.
May salted caramel, may vanilla. Ito pistachio to.
Pistachio. I think, let's see, give it a taste.
This one is...
That is vanilla. That's pistachio. Wow. Yung pinili namin topping is cheesecake, red bean, tapos moon floral cake yung isa.
Ayan, ang dapat.
Tatlo lang. Let's taste this one. This is
Cheese.
pineapple cake. Let's taste this flower cake. Okay. Is this red bean cake? I don't like chocolate. Oh my god, did I? This is the cone of the waffle. Lasa lang siyang cone, guys.
Wala man.
Huh? Like yung murang apa lang. The boys are finishing the ice cream. Kamusta? Good? No? 1 to 10? 5. The same with mommy. My verdict is nothing special lang siya, guys. Lasa lang siyang ice cream. Mas masarap pang Selecta, honestly, for me. Ooh!
Mas masarap pa yung ano, best in Ben and Jerry's.
It's a good ice cream, but it's not something I'd go back for.
Yeah. I feel like it's sikat kasi aesthetic yung lugar. Maganda siya picturean at mainit dito. But overall, it's okay lang. Is it worth the price?
We pay, I think,
500 something.
okay,
And
we pay, so basically that's 1,200.
yeah, for 2 ice cream. Would I buy that? No.
Yes. For an experience.
For an experience. For now, like one thing now.
Go back to after having that kind of experience already. Maybe not.
Wow, masyado naman kayo.
Honest lang tayo dito. Maganda sana lumakad-lakad dito if not hot lang. But it is hot. Parang mami, ano yung tawag sa Korea? Yung parang ganyan?
Yung bongo at
Parang nasa Korea tayo. Hindi na sila sa live. I gotta hurry up. Baka magalit sa akin si Kuya. So, nagpalitan na kami ni Dad ng upuan. Kamusta Dad? Sitting behind there. Okay lang raw. So, we just arrived at the Rainbow Village. Hey, Papa. Rainbow Village. Look at the artworks. Let's see, napaka-restaurant na ito. Ang pretty oh. So, maliit lang pala siya, guys. Parang mga ilang bahay lang. Tapos, surrounded by apartments. So, parang yung tourist attraction lang na mapinlinturan. Sabi nga ni Dylan, parang elementary school lang. Kung dami meron sa atin. Well, true naman. But yes, pretty. Guys, grabe antok ko na. Huwag yan expect ko yung sinabi flower farm. Parang yung kagaya sa Japan. Parang ito na. Yung nga sinabi. Ito na sa lahat na nasa cellphone. I shall be going to my Zoom schedule. Okay, so nawala yung dito ko. Ano na si na mama. Ito na ata kay mama kasi. Oh my god. So here's the ticket. Ayos na ba ma? Okay, I'm done with my Zoom. Final grade is 97 something. Okay, let's my fishies. Picture mo sila. Look at the koi, guys. Wait. I think we're done. Took some good photos now. So stay tuned for the IG photos once it's edited and finished. After this, we're going back to the hotel. You can pay to get fish food for the fishies over there. I wrote that. Yung nasa farm. Happy life. Happy life.
Ganda ka na. Dylan, ano masasabi mo, Dylan?
Oh, di ba?
Kaya nga, cute. I don't know how to read that. Daddy, basahin mo nga yan. Anong oh, hala.
my God!
Oh my gosh, caught on camera. Fight! Lightsaber fight. Mama! Guys, can't wait to labar and take this all off. Free me! Joy. I'm pranking. I'm making a scary face, guys. Gerberas. Alin dyan? All hats. Oh, may mga toys, oh. May toys, Dylan.
Oh my! It's so amazing.
It's a lychee. Oh, ganyan po na ng lychee, guys.
Ay! We're going na. Daddy, can you live here?
No?
Why?
Because I don't know how to live here.
Oh, narinig mo yung husband and wife to sit together. So, yun nga. 2 hours. Yung tuloy-tuloy yung ano. Kaya kung mag-CR na raw kayo dun. Yung mukha ng face ko. Ayun, we're back at the hotel. Mga bago gising. Ang daming tao.